Hey guys, Jake here from Vetta Pontoons. Today I have something super exciting. We're going to be doing an on-water walkthrough of this beautiful Vetta Kuuma 23 CRL. Let's go check it out. Climbing aboard the 23 CRL and take a look at that exterior. It's in that beautiful two-tone white and black, and check out those all blacked out railings surrounding the fences. Really sharp looking boat. Also, take a look at those smoked chrome LED running lights built right into the fences, also including your navigation lights on either side. So very nice feature to have at nighttime if you're coming into the dock. Now, moving to the inside, the Kuumas do have the 2000 series furniture package, so very comfortable, and check out the colors, again, matching that beautiful exterior. Pulls the whole look of this boat together. We can't forget about that full driftwood non-slip flooring throughout the entire boat, really accenting and contrast the whole look of this boat. Very comfortable and very easy to clean. Now, the main layout of the front here is our two chaise loungers on either side. Again, full storage throughout these boats, tons and tons of room right underneath those two loungers. Just below those, we have 4 out of our 5 speakers throughout this boat. We'll touch base on that a little bit later once we get to it. We have our 2 additional cup holders. And then right in the middle here of these is our pop-up full table right in the center. If you're not using it, pull the base out, pull the post, and put it right away underneath one of the seats here. And lastly, we can't forget about the port side pop-up change room built right behind the headrest here. Full pop-up change room. If you needed somewhere to change into some dry clothes, great spot to do, and then you can tuck it right away when you're done. Moving on to the command center here of this 23 CRL, and starting off with this high back sport captain's chair. It does have the dual armrests, so a very great feature. It has that full 360 swivel. It has full recline and also that seat slider. So really giving you tons of customizability and comfortable whoever's driving this boat. Now, pairing really well with that, starting on the helm here, is that full tilt steering helm built right in. Again, pairing with those features on the seat, really making it a comfortable boat for anyone driving it. Very open access, easy to our control box here on the right-hand side. And then we'll kind of just work our way along the dash here, starting off with your switches. So we have our docking lights, we have our exterior lights, all pairing with those smoked chrome headlights in the front. We have our radio on and off, our anchor and navigation lights, and then our horn over here on the right-hand side. We have this beautiful flush-mounted Garmin 72SV that is a full GPS model. It's going to give you speed, depth, time, temperature, whatever you need, along with a full Navionics GPS system built right into that. So very nice unit on the boat. Now we have our 2 gauges in the center here, just beside the Garmin. We have our trim, fuel, and speed over here. And then on the left-hand side, we have our RPM gauge, which also doubles as a Mercury SmartCraft gauge. So giving you a little extra engine data is a great feature to have. Just beside that is our Fusion stereo system here. This is equipped with the silver sound package, so you are going to get 6 illuminated LED speakers and this Fusion RA10 stereo head. Just below that, you have your mood lighting switch and then our nice little 12-volt power outlet here. Now let's go check out the rest. Moving on to the back here of this 23 CRL. One of my favorite features is dual captain chair layout. So you're actually getting a secondary captain chair, exactly the same as we just saw, same features built right into it. Very comfortable, especially when there's only 2 of you out on the boat. You can both sit side by side, turn, face each other, and have a conversation while you're out there. Now, before we get to where the name comes from, we can't forget about that beautiful full-size pop-up bimini top coming standard on this boat. Great feature to have, and you're going to find out why utilizing this convertible rear lounge at the back here. That is the CRL. So we can go from a full forward-facing lounger, we can go to a rear lounger, or take advantage of that bimini, pop the backrest right into the lounge there, and go to a full sun deck bed right at the back there. Enjoy a nice sleep while you're out on the water. We have our nice illuminated cup holders kind of surrounding it, plus a nice little USB station if you plan on charging your phone, and take advantage of this layout. Now, moving just outside the rear gate here, Again, we can't forget about the storage under there either. If that backrest pop up, take advantage of that full storage back there. Just on this other side of it, we have our sidewall storage compartment here with a nice little personal item shelf and a couple illuminated cup holders as well. Lastly, we have this full-size pop-up storage compartment here, along with our dedicated battery storage on the port side and a nice little battery switch to pair with that. Now, tons of room out the back here. If you plan on utilizing it, going for a swim, doing some water sports, take advantage of that. We have our built-in ski and tow bar right around here. And then lastly, we can't forget about that full fold-down swim ladder off the back. If you plan on going for a swim, this will make it a lot easier to get back into the boat. Thanks for checking out the Kuuma 23 CRL. If you wanted more information about this boat, make sure to visit us at vettapontoons.com to see this boat, and you can also explore the entire Vetta lineup. Thanks for watching.